Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use call screening on iOS 26. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Call screening is a brand new feature in iOS 26 that lets you screen incoming calls from unknown callers before your phone even rings. To get started, first make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26, because this feature is not available on older versions. If you haven't updated yet, go ahead and install the latest update. Once your phone is updated, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find the Apps section. Once inside Apps, search for Phone and open it. Inside this section, scroll down and you'll see a new option called Screen Unknown Callers. By default, this option can be set to Never, which means call screening is turned off. To enable call screening, switch this option to Ask Reason for Calling. This setting allows your iPhone to request more information from callers whose numbers are not saved in your contacts before the call reaches you. After turning this on, here's how it works in real time. When an unknown number tries to call you, your iPhone will display a message saying that the call is being screened. Your iPhone will automatically ask the caller for their name and the reason they're calling. If the call is spam, robocalls, or an automated system, it usually won't respond, and the call will never bother you. However, if the caller is a real person, they'll respond with their name and reason for calling, such as explaining who they are and why they need to reach you. You can then review the information and decide whether you want to answer the call, ignore it, or decline it entirely. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use call screening on iOS 26. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.